Welcome to Leatherworking 101. Today's lesson will cover the different types of leather and the basic tools you need to get started with leatherworking. The types of leather you may use include veg-tan leather is tanned using vegetable tannins, such as tree bark. It is a strong and durable type of leather that is often used for belts, wallets, and other small goods. Chrome tan leather is tanned using chromium salts. It is a softer and more pliable type of leather that is often used for garments, shoes, and other accessories. Suede is a type of leather that has been buffed to create a soft, fuzzy surface. It is often used for jackets, shoes, and handbags. Nubuck is a type of leather that has been top-grained to remove the imperfections, but still retains a slight nap. It is often used for shoes, boots, and wallets. Faux leather is a man-made material that is made to look and feel like real leather. It is often used in less expensive products, such as handbags and belts. When choosing leather for a project, it is important to consider the type of project you are making and the desired finished look. For example, if you are making a belt, you will want to choose a strong and durable type of leather, such as veg-tan. If you are making a handbag, you may want to choose a softer and more pliable type of leather, such as chrome tan. Your basic set of tools are: a sharp cutting knife is essential for any leather worker. It is used to cut leather to size and shape. Leatherworking needles are designed to pierce through thick leather. They are available in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the right needle for the job. Waxed thread is a type of thread that has been coated in wax. This makes it more durable and resistant to breakage. A hole punch is used to create holes in leather for stitching. It is available in a variety of sizes, so you can create holes of the desired size. A mallet is used to drive tools into leather. It is important to choose a mallet with a soft head so that you do not damage the leather. There are many decent starter kits available, and it never hurts to get one. This will help you know which you use more and then purchase high-quality tool replacements one at a time. Good tools will make the leatherworking process easier and produce better results. Finally, be patient and practice. Leatherworking takes practice to master. Don't be discouraged if your first few projects don't turn out perfectly. Just keep practicing and you will eventually see improvement. Most of all, enjoy yourself.